This is OPPO A98, and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, log into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can tap at the install button and thus get the Opera app downloaded and installed respectively. So let's wait 10 seconds or so for it to happen. Now once the app was installed, you gotta just go ahead and open it, and while launching Opera for the first time, you gotta perform a very simple setup. So starting with continuing, then you can either enable notifications from Opera or simply skip this step, or perhaps you would like to set it as your default browser right off the bat, or you can skip this step also. Then you can customize the data collection preferences, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. So that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.